CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.4. Explain Common Network Configuration Concepts. VLAN. Let's start this video segment by thinking about how traffic moves across a network. Imagine a network as a growing town, where roads represent network cables and buildings represent computers and devices. In a small town, traffic flows freely. Everyone uses the same roads, and vehicles move wherever they need to go without much congestion or restriction. This kind of setup works well when there are only a few devices and everything on the network is trusted. As the town grows, traffic increases and challenges begin to appear. Some types of traffic need priority, certain areas require stronger security, and not every device should be able to communicate with every other device. When all traffic shares the same space, performance can suffer and managing the network becomes more difficult. This is where VLAN, short for Virtual Local Area Network, comes into play. A VLAN is a technology that allows you to divide a single physical network into multiple separate logical networks. In this setup, each VLAN functions as its own isolated network. Devices within the same VLAN can communicate with each other as if they were connected to a dedicated network, even though they share the same physical infrastructure. This logical separation helps improve security, reduces unnecessary traffic, and makes large networks easier to manage without adding extra physical hardware. Devices in different VLANs are kept separate unless communication between them is intentionally allowed. To tie this back to our city analogy, think of a VLAN as an advanced traffic management system in a busy city. City planners can create dedicated lanes on existing roads, separating traffic based on purpose or priority. Emergency vehicles may use restricted lanes, while everyday traffic stays in general lanes. Everyone still uses the same roads, but traffic is organized in a way that keeps things running efficiently and securely. As networks continue to grow in size and complexity, this type of logical separation becomes increasingly important. VLANs provide a practical way to organize devices, improve performance, and enhance security by segmenting traffic within a shared physical network. Recognizing what a VLAN is and why it exists is an important part of understanding modern network design. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.